Are you looking for a real way to make $100 a day using ChatGPT? No fluff, no clickbait, just real methods that people are actually using in 2025 to earn online. In this video, I'm going to walk you through not one, but three powerful ways to make money with ChatGPT, even if you have no experience. So stick around till the end because method number three can become a full-time income stream. Let's begin. Method number one, blog writing on Fiverr or Upwork. This one's perfect for beginners. Go to fiverr.com and search for SEO blog writing. You'll see people charging between $10 to $50 for writing articles. You don't need to be a writer yourself. Here's what you do. First, go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. Once inside, type a prompt like this. Write a 1,000-word SEO-optimized blog post about healthy morning routines. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a professional article for you. You can even ask it to include keywords, structure it with headings, and write in a certain tone, like formal, friendly, or even humorous. Now take that article, edit it a bit for human touch, and deliver it to your client. Most buyers don't care how it's written. They just want clean, readable content. If you get just 4 orders a week at $25 each, that's $100. But once you build reviews, you can scale up to $500 or even $1,000 per month, all automated. Now let's move to method number 2, selling digital products created by ChatGPT. This method is passive, meaning you create once and earn over and over again. Here's how. Go to Gumroad or Payhip. These are platforms where you can sell digital products like ebooks, guides, planners, or toolkits. Let's say you want to sell an ebook. Open ChatGPT and say, write a 15-page ebook about 10 ways to save money as a college student. In under 2 minutes, you'll have an outline and content. Format it using Canva, export it as a PDF, and upload it to Gumroad. Now promote your ebook on Reddit, Facebook groups, or YouTube Shorts. Even if you sell 5 copies per day at $10 each, that's $50 daily. And this is completely passive after setup. Now to method number 3, ChatGPT plus affiliate marketing. This is where things get really interesting. Affiliate marketing means you earn commission for promoting other people's products. You don't need your own product, support, or even a website. Here's the method. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon, Digistore24, or Impact.com. Pick a product, let's say a budget planner app. Now use ChatGPT to write a blog post or script titled, The 5 Best Apps for Saving Money in 2025. Place your affiliate product in the list as number 1 and add your link. Then post that blog on medium.com or turn it into a YouTube video or even a TikTok using AI voice. If 100 people view your content and just 5 click and buy, and your commission is $20 per sale, that's $100. You can scale this method by promoting more products in different niches. Let's quickly recap all 3 methods. 1. Blog writing on Fiverr. Quick income, great for beginners. 2. Digital products with ChatGPT. Passive income, low effort. 3. Affiliate marketing. Scalable, high income potential. Now, before you rush off to start, here are some pro tips to actually succeed with these methods. Tip 1. Always edit ChatGPT's output. Even small human edits make a big difference. Tip 2. Be consistent. These methods work, but only if you post regularly and improve your delivery. Tip 3. Reinvent popular ideas. Don't just copy, use ChatGPT to make better, faster, and cleaner versions of what's already working. And lastly, don't give up after 1 week. Most people fail because they expect fast results. Treat this like building a digital asset, not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because I'll be sharing more AI money-making tutorials, automation tools, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.